Hello everyone, I would like to introduce you to my lovely guest that I had with me today, and we did a food tour in Kemeraltı area and the Old Bazaar, and now we're in Kızlar Ağası Hanı, which is an inn from the 17th century, and I would like to introduce them to you, so maybe they can ask how their tour was.
So hi, I'm Chris Eukins. This is Virginia Eukins, and we're from Delaware. We're really enjoying our day here in Izmir. We really get to see, not only get the chance to see the food and taste the food and enjoy that, but really getting a sense of the local culture. Have you enjoyed your day, Virginia?
Yes, it really gave us a very different perspective from a standard hop on, hop off bus tour. We really get a much greater understanding about how the culture has evolved over time, the history, and where the culture seems to be going for the next millennium.
We can't recommend the tour strongly enough. We hope you enjoyed as much as we did.
Thank you very much. And what about your coffee? What do you think about the Turkish coffee? Honest
The
words.
Turkish coffee is fantastic. I am a big coffee fan. I love very strong coffee, and it was really good.
I will never forget it.
All right, folks, that's what you see from me. Have a nice day.